Welcome everybody. Right now we are headed to another city to do a very special car review. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell when I release a new video. And I talk to you later. Bye! And welcome to this car review. I don't know if you can see in the background, but over here we have Opel Manta. And if you like this, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below after the video what you were thinking about this car, and I'll talk to you later. Welcome to my channel.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Robban.
And what kind of car do you have?
I have a Opel Manta Berlinetta from 1975.
And for how long have you owned this car then?
See here, 6 or 7 years, I think.
Oh, that's pretty long.
Yeah. It was my first car, so yeah. Nice
that you still has it.
Yeah.
Have you done any modifications to the car?
Yeah, I have. Some lower springs and renovated from scratch, you say it like that. Big exhaust, and yeah, other small things.
So is this project, because this is a project car, right?
Yeah, of course.
Have you more things to do to the car?
Not really. Actually, I think I'll sell it actually and start something new.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah. So, how does it feel that you are gonna sell it? Do you feel
hard? I think because I had other car that I need money for, and it's old NISSAN. So yeah, I'm more GDM guy and German.
So what kind of Nissan is that?
It's a 206 S14.
Ah, nice one.
I am.
So is it possible that we may do a feature on that car?
Of course.
Thank you, I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
And do you have any future plans on this car? It's just to sell it, right?
Yeah. And yeah, fixing up some small issue. That is the problem.
So why did you choose this as a first car? Because this is not a normal first car?
Because I think I love rare cars, and the other thing is that I want to fix it up. That's I think is the reason.
So it was to learn about more about cars when you bought this car?
Yeah, I always loved cars. I was a small guy, so yeah, I think that's the reason.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around with me.
You could be with anyone.
Welcome to this Opel Manta from 1975. This car has around 98 or 100 horses, depending on how you see it. This car also got a 4-speed Getrag manual gearbox, so it's pretty hard, but I feel pretty nice driving it, and it sounds so good because you had a carburetor on it, right?
Yeah.
Was it the Weber carburetor?
It's a Weber 45.
Yeah, that sounds so good. I don't know if you can hear the sound of this car. Otherwise, you will have seen it in the other clips from this video. And I have a question to all of you. What do you think about this Opel Manta from 75? Do you want me to do more old school cars, or do you want the newer cars? Just comment below what you think. And I will respond as soon as I can. And I also want you to not forget that I will host a competition when we reach 250 followers. So don't forget to share and comment and subscribe. We're just enjoying the ride, and I absolutely love this car. So should you buy an old school car like this? Yes, I think you should. Really easy car to drive. For someone like me that are not used to this old school car, it's pretty easy to drive. You just have to be aware of the clutch, since he has got a sport clutch. What?
Be a ninja.
What?
Be a ninja.
Yeah, be a ninja when you shift gears, and you will be totally fine. And just keep the accelerator or the acceleration good, and then no worries. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Oh, and what have we here?
A SAAB 9000.
Is it just a normal SAAB 9000?
Nah, it's in 4 colors.
So is it a Harlequin SAAB 9000?
Yeah, you can call it that.
Could we possibly do a review of this?
Of course. And I got a few more.
Oh, and welcome to this Opel Kadett from 1975.
Så Kadett.
Fuck. And if you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell when I release a new video. And I release new videos every Sunday. And if you like this content, don't forget to watch the videos that are coming here or here. And I talk to you later. Have a nice Sunday.
These brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride.